Goldify bumasag sa tipay resistance natin sa 1-hour time frame. So update lang tayo ng price action ni gold ngayong January 5. So kung makikita po ninyo, this is the 1-hour chart of gold. Yung green box binasag natin and it's currently trading at 4,425. Ngayon, nasa na yung next resistance? So usually what we do, yung mga tipay traders natin, lumilipat kami ng higher time frame to get the next resistance. Ang next possible resistance will be 4,535 area na or near the all-time high level. Again, this is based on our TIPI trading system. So what we do sa gold natin on a 5-minute chart, kasi dito tayo nag-e-entry for day trading, we just want to scalp long or to buy long since this is a green cloud. No? So kung makikita nyo rin, puro buy signal lang yung binibigay sa atin ni TIPI. Alright. So ngayon, pag ganito na medyo nakawala, you need to wait na yan. Hindi mo nahahabulin yan. You need to wait for another buy signal na may ganito. Mamaya pag magko-correct yan, magkakaroon ulit ng buy signal yan. So right now, wait and see mode tayo. So immediate support lies on this area. Sa 5-minute time frame, nasa 4,414 area. That's your immediate support. And sa 15-minute, if you're going to notice also, may trend line tayong nabubuo dito. Alright. So, pwede natin gawin tong parallel channel. If you're going to take a look at this, pag ginawa mo yung parallel channel, so makakakita ka ng possible resistance na pwedeng pagtulayan ni Goldify. Diba? So, pwede pag nauntog dyan, pullback ka na naman dito until bumasag pababa. Okay, so usually, upward sloping parallel channel breaks to the downside. All right, that's our update sa gold.